Hello everyone. So my name is Arunesh Naha, and today I am going to show you a particular website that I have created using React. Not React, most probably it is created using the stack. I mean MERN stack. MERN stack, as you all know, guys, it is all about Mongo, Express, React, and Node. In the backend, it is running Express, and for the database part, it is running NoSQL, Mongo, and here is the database part. As I can show you, here is it. Fine. So uh, this is the database part, and as I have shown you, it's running on Mongo, and the front end is running on React. And here's the file structure. You can see over here. I know my video editing skills are really too bad, but maybe up to some extent you can view it. This is my first video regarding coding, so yeah, definitely just pardon me for all those uncertainties. Yeah. So okay, let's start. First of all, maybe on some other video I can come up with the source code of this entire website in details, but I can assure you that the website is still now not perfect, and I'm working for its development improvement. And here is the backend, which is inside the front end, and which is a very bad idea. Maybe at some point of time I can improve it. As I have said, that it is not perfect. It is not a perfect build. It's just working somehow, and I have to refactor the code because the code is too much messy. One if one gets my code, he will not he might get confused at any point of time. So okay, too much of introduction. Now let's start with the code. I mean with the entire project. And yeah, one more thing, I actually tried to build this project for my BCA year project. I mean, for the final year BCA project, and I ended up making this medical website. Now that's the reason why I have actually created this website, and it took around 1.5 months for me to build the entire website. And so I thought of coming up with a video about how the website actually looks like. Maybe some other video I can come up with the source code. Another thing, I will try to upload the GitHub link to this project. So just bear with me. Okay, so let's start. First of all, uh, it's running on port 3000, and here it is, localhost 3000. It's running the React app over here. Fine. So here it looks like this. You can see this. Welcome to MediClick. There's the first thing, and then there comes a carousel, and then there exists this products. You can't add products from here, but you can definitely view some of them. And please pardon me regarding the category and product mapping, because I have just inserted these products as per the database. Okay, I mean for testing purposes, they're definitely not accurate. For example, like Zodol P is definitely not for daily usage, and it is viewing category wise products. And definitely, please pardon me regarding this. The actual working of the project I am showing you right now. First of all, let me register. And aruneshnaha18@gmail.com is actually a registered user. So let me suppose 123456. Let this be a password. And just because it's already a registered user, it will fetch me an error. Email is already registered in the website. And you can see over here, it is. Yeah. aruneshnaha18@gmail.com. So let me register with some other email, right? So let's be aruneshnaha blog. Yeah? And Naha blog maybe, and maybe the password is 123456. Yeah, now it is successfully registered, and I have this website as user view. Now first of all, maybe I am searching for a product, so it goes over here. I may search for Savlon, maybe. Yeah, here it is, Savlon antiseptic liquid. You click over here, search over it, and you see I can see the product here. I mean, with details, right? So maybe now add to cart. I added two of them, and go to cart. Yeah, it's added in the cart. Proceed to checkout, and here it goes. Okay. So maybe I want to add more products, and I can do that from here also. Add more products. Here I can see all the products I have in my medical website, and maybe view all products from here also. I can see it, and let's go to cart. Here I can change the quantity again and proceed to checkout. Now let me first log out, and now that I've logged out, now what I'm going to do is again view all products, go to cart, and proceed to checkout. And now I am not logged in. For kind information, I am not logged in, and I try to place the order. See, please log in first. So I need to log in, right? So maybe I just log in again. Ernest blog @gmail.com, and the password 123456. Let me submit. I've logged in. View all products. Go to cart and proceed to checkout. Here I go. I may do this pin code as 0 and some random phone number. place order, and you see order is placed, and I can view my orders. Another thing is I can also view my orders from manage orders. I mean, it renders me to the same page. That's why you can say any sort of change in my website. So maybe I can show you from here. Manage orders. You can see this order. Okay, fine. So now let me log in using another user. Maybe this one. Yeah, Sumit K @gmail.com. So I log out and then I log in with this one. Yeah. You see, you are successfully signed in. Now maybe all products. I order this one two, this one two, and maybe this one also two. This one maybe three. Yeah, just random orders. Yeah, for your kind information, I haven't integrated any payment gateway in my website first of all. So it's just placing orders just like this. Okay, so I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. So after this is done, now what I'm going to do is I am going to log out first. So I've logged out. Now maybe I'm just going to sign in as admin. And who is an admin? An admin is actually the owner of the website. Okay, like the website. So what he can do is he can upload products, for customers to view it, and then he can um, edit those products. Okay, he can manage categories. Okay, so and much more. Okay, so and he has admin privileges and he can do many things. So here I have this guy as admin. Okay, so let me sign in as admin first of all, and you see he has got admin privileges. Okay, so admin dashboard is special dashboard that is offered only for admins. So now let's see what privileges we have. And create a product, manage a product, category management, manage all orders, and manage orders. First of all, let me view manage all orders. So first of all, these are delivered orders and these are few of them are just you in the video you have seen. I've made this order of rupees 114, and it had this one only, grand tag 115 to 3, and this I just read it in front of you in this video right now. And yeah, this one also. So there are various orders and it gives me the total earnings. Okay, so maybe these orders are actually in delivered status, and this is in processing status. Maybe I can put this into delivered. So it's delivered right now. Remember the user, it's sumit@gmail.com. Fine. Now, having said that, let me create a product. Let me name it as maybe maybe some medicine, and maybe the price is 120. Stock is 25, and I have to select a category. Maybe I select daily usage. Yeah. Description maybe test. Testing purposes. Right. Create this product, and I have to choose a file for uploading the image. Maybe I put this aloe vera image over it, open, and let me upload this. So it's uploaded right now. I can now manage products and I can see this. Where is this? Some medicines. Wait a minute. Some. You see, here it is. So right now, where can I see this? Yeah, here it's. Here it is. Some medicine. It goes here, and I can where it is gone. I can edit this, maybe testing purposes and coding, maybe just random, and I may increase the price to maybe 150. Okay, now let me update this product and maybe just change the file. I mean, image protein X. Maybe this one I put on the image, and you see. Wait a minute, yeah, product image has been uploaded successfully, and you see testing purposes and coding. This price is now 150. Some medicine, right? All right. Now in the category side, I can view this over here for daily usage. Yeah, here it is. You see, um, this one, some medicine. Okay, okay. Having said that, I have shown you create a product, manage price. Now category management is something else. Now maybe I create a different category, test category, right? I may create the category, and you see, here it is. Here it is. I can update this test category as test category. Maybe update it, and you see, I got it updated, right? Okay, so I may delete this category. Okay, but first of all, let me show you how it is shown over here. If I try to edit this and select the category, it is showing here test category updated, right? Okay, so now let me delete this category. Here it goes. I've deleted category, deleted successfully. Okay, so category management is also shown. I have shown how to manage orders over here. Update status to delivered, update status to delivered. It's all from my side, right? So I can also manage users like Harshad Mehta is someone whom I can maybe delete, or maybe Sumit K at the rate of gmail.com. I can set this user to admin if I wish to. Because if he was not an admin, I may set him to admin. Maybe the Sumit guy, he's got a job in my website, I mean company, Medically, and now I want to set him as admin because he's now a partial owner of the website and he can upload products and maybe update the prices, stocks, and much more. Inventory management may become under his job. So I have to set him as admin. So I may set him as admin right now. Fine. So I can even delete this user if I have seen some offensive activities from his side. So I can delete this user. It's all under my ownership. Okay. So now may I log out and I sign in as Sumit K. Here it goes. I sign in. And you see, I have got admin privileges for Sumit K, who was not an admin right now, but I've got right now. Okay. This is the another thing I've shown you. Now let me show you how to. Oh, wait a minute. Just let me log out. Now I log in as maybe um Arunesh Naha blog. Wait a minute. Arunesh Naha blog at gmail.com. 123456. That's all. What if I have? What if I have forgotten my password? Suppose I try to log in with Arunesh Naha blog at gmail.com and I have forgotten the password. I have set some random password. I try to submit. It gives me invalid credentials. I have forgotten the password. Now how to recover it? So I may click on forgot password and enter the mail address. So the mail address goes this one, awarenessnowblog at gmail.com, and I request to send me a code. So I click over here. It's asking me to wait. Please wait. Okay, I'm waiting. It says the code has already been sent. Now let me check it. Check it. Right. Um. It, where it is? Here it is. Okay. You see, here it goes. So the password reset code is it hasn't sent me just 0 minutes ago. This one is the only code. Control C. Okay. I set. Maybe if the code is wrong, for some example, and the code is actually valid for 10 minutes. Okay. So the code is first of all wrong. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, that's the old password. Maybe 109 109 109 109. That's the password I set. And I try to reset the password. Oh fuck. This is reset password token is invalid because I've deleted one character from this code. So okay, fine. Fuck. Not what I wanted. Sorry. Yeah. Control. It's E over here, right? Yeah. E. So yeah. 109 109. I put it and reset password. Password has been reset successfully. So right now, if I just try to log in using Avnish blog at the rate of gmail.com and it's 109 109, submit. You see, now I can sign in here, right? And the thing is, I can even reset the password. For example, my old password is 109 109, and I can set it to 123456 and change this password. Yeah, the password has been changed successfully. Okay, so here it goes. That's all about my website, and there's about us panel which says nothing but just a brief intro about me. That's it. That's it. That's all I've created for this website. And what if I just put some random values over here like this and try to search it? You see, there's an error. Please enter a valid product name in search bar. So yeah, there is few error checks, and yeah, there exists a few bugs in this code which I will overcome maybe later on. Right now, thank you so much for all this. Uh, See you again.